afternoon everyone, myself Rahul and I am here to talk about distempers, the old paint new trick. Distempers are 3000-year-old paint and yet it's still being used till date. It is because it is more easily available and simple to use. We are here to talk about what is it, what is inside it, what are the advantages and disadvantages, the main types of it and its uses and different types of it. What is a distemper? It is a cheap water-based type paint which can be used in any residential buildings or even architectural buildings in specific areas. It is water-based, breathable and matte finish. Water-based means is available as a powder and we can turn it into a liquid by adding water to it. Breathable means it allows moisture to go into the paint and escape through it. And matte finish is a dull yet non-reflecting color which does not reflect light on it and it won't shine on our eyes. Although it's old, why it still matters today? It is because it is low cost and the per meter square of the general cost is very lower than the usual traditional paint. Its breathability is highly useful because it does not allow salt to deposit in the cells of the paint. This is because it allows the moisture to pass in and out of it. The easy application is you can mix it up with water, warm water generally, easily, and it mixes up easily and paint can be applied. What is inside the distemper? Distemper consists of 4 different parts: the base, binder, thinner, and pigment. Base generally consists of chalk, lime, and clay or clay. Binder is casein or animal glue. It can be used to bind the powder particles. Thinner is generally warm water, that's enough, and the consistency will go good. The pigment is generally natural and synthetic colors. Distemper works in 3 steps. What happens when you mix the distemper? First, the evaporation of water. The water when the distemper paint evaporates quickly. The crystallization, the binding of those powders happen quickly and the paint set dries faster. The breathability, again, it allows moisture to escape and prevents salt from settling. The advantages and disadvantages. It can be applied easily, it does not require any skill. Even I can paint my room myself. It is fast drying, it takes very less, 4 to 10 minutes to dry, and it is more economical because the meter square of the cost is very low. Limitations. Since it's a cheap and old paint, it can be used for regular general interiors, but it has a lot of limitations. Poor durability, you have to repaint it every 2 years, so it's not very durable. Limited applications, it cannot be used for kitchens or bathrooms since it's a matte finish color. And short lifespan, yes, you have to repaint it every 2 and 3 years. 3 main types of it. Dry distemper, oil bound and cement distemper. Dry is the cheapest one where we can mix powder and create distempers instantly, and the oil bound distemper is when you paint your halls with it and you can take off any coffee stains on it easily. And the cement distemper, it is generally lime compatible. How do you pick the right distemper? You have to check the timeline of your project and your budget of it. Evaluate traffic and handling, which is washability and the other things. If your area is full of dust, you have to clean it often, so choose rightly. And the fresh lime palliation or mandatory, choose cement dispenser. If you have to store a lot of water or damp products in your distemper, you have to choose the cement one. And finally, moisture exposure. If you are living near sea areas, there will be a lot of soil content, and yes, the distemper does allow moisture to escape, but not a lot, so check accordingly. Use and apply today. Application guide. Prepare the surface. First, you have to clean the surface, dry it out, make sure it's flat. Mix and combine the powder with warm water and make sure the consistency is perfect. Use a brush, you can do it by yourself by using a roller or brush on it. And keep the windows open, keep it ventilated so that it dries up quickly. Distemper fits in modern construction, low budget interiors. this distemper is being used in our hostel, which has reduced the cost by 40%. This is generally used in our own rooms as an interior design. It is also used for temporary buildings like stages and cinema builds. Thank you.